Hi guys, this is the second part of setting up your grid drawing. And today, right now, I'm going to start with my 9 by 12 paper, which is about the standard size that you'll get in your art class. I'm going to need my ruler and a pencil. Alright, so let's have a go. First thing I'm going to do, since remember my photo, I have these little half-inch grids. So what I'm doing is doubling this. This is a 4 by 6 photograph. And I have a 9 by 12, which is, I get a little extra inch there. But what I'm going to do next is I'm going to be dividing this paper. Okay, as you can see, I have a 12-inch sheet of paper, and what I want to do is divide it. And this time, I'm still going to have the same amount of tick marks, or marks on the ruler, but this time I'm just going to mark it every single inch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So these boxes are going to be larger, so when I go to draw, I'm actually enlarging my drawing and making it bigger. And the thing that is so important when you do this method, so here you can see I've got my 1-inch marks here at the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing here at the other end of the paper so that I can draw those nice straight lines. The other thing that is so very important with this method is that when you make this grid on your good drawing paper, it's absolutely important that you draw them so lightly, because you don't want to wind up with a portrait that has a bunch of checker boxes going through it. Okay, all right, so I'm going to do this again on this end. Same thing. Put a teeny tiny little dot mark at every inch. And like I said, I'll have a whole inch extra left over on this one because the paper is, normally cut to a 9 by 12. I could cut this off, or I could just kind of ignore it and, not use that. I'll problem solve that later. Alrighty, now it's time to connect all those little dots. Really important that you get your ruler lined up really nicely. And again, my wonderful tip is please hold your pencil by the very end like this, close to the eraser end. That way, when you draw the line, it's going to be really light. Alright, so barely putting any pressure on there. You can see how nice and light that is. Okay, you can barely see it. It's also important that you, line those lines up really nice. Make sure your measurements are good. You're not, thinking about lots of other things as you're doing this. You really do need to concentrate so that you get it nice and straight and keep yourself kind of quiet. Don't pay attention to the people sitting around you. Oops. Turn it around, do the same thing here.